Your vendors agreed to the credit, so how does that money actually come back to you? Almost on its own. Let's follow an approved credit all the way to the deduction. Here's a credit your vendor has already signed off on. Real money they owe you, sitting approved and ready. And here's the part your team will love. Collecting it is almost entirely hands-off. You don't cut a separate check, and you don't chase anyone down. It just comes off the top the next time you pay that vendor. If you run your payments through ShelfSpace, an approved credit lands on its own, wherever it fits best. It nets right off that vendor's next check. It can come off an open purchase order before you've even paid it. And on consignment, where returns settle through the payout, it's netted straight onto the settlement. 3 paths, 0 manual work. Want proof? Here's one that's already landed. Its status simply reads applied, and nobody on your team lifted a finger to get it there. The moment you paid that vendor, this credit came right off what you owed them. That's the whole idea. Approved today, deducted automatically, done. But maybe you don't run your accounts payable here. Your books live in another system. That's fine. Flip this one setting, and every approved memo emails straight to your accounting team with a clean spreadsheet and the memo PDFs attached. They take the deduction on their side, in the system you already trust. And to keep your records honest, there's a simple button for exactly that. Once your own accounts payable has taken the deduction, you mark the credit applied right here. So ShelfSpace and your books always tell the same story about what you've collected and what's still open. There's one more way a vendor can make you whole, and it doesn't involve a deduction at all. Open any approved credit, and you'll find it right on the memo. Sometimes a vendor would rather settle up with product, free or discounted units on your next order, instead of money off a check. When you agree to that, you record it right here as fulfilled. Just know what that word means. It's your record of the deal you struck, not proof the product actually showed up. So confirm the goods land and then trust the badge. And that's how an approved credit turns into real dollars back in your pocket. Automatic off your payments, a clean handoff when your books live somewhere else, or squared up in product when that's the deal you reach. You did the hard part getting it approved. Collecting it mostly takes care of itself.